Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the Human Kinetics Library off campus. On the main library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of e-resources available, you can find the Human Kinetics Library in the eBooks section and Media section. Now on either the eBooks page or Media page, just click on the Human Kinetics Library logo to be taken to the Human Kinetics Library page. Now on the Human Kinetics Library page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the Human Kinetics Library page. On the top right of the screen, you'll see a login button. Just click on that. You'll now find yourself on the following screen. Just click on the Login via your institution button. You'll now be asked to find your organisation. In the search bar where it asks you to start typing your organisation name, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. Finally, you'll be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button.